You've made your furniture purchase, and now it's time to select how it will be brought to your home. Introducing Dash, our most desirable option for making your new furniture part of your home. The D in Dash represents delivery of your new furniture to your home, but it's so much more than that. Our team of experts pack and load your items. Our professional drivers carefully transport it to your home and skillfully carry it inside to exactly where you want it. With Dash, there's no need to call friends and help load or unload or rent a truck and hope you pack it correctly. Maybe you are opting for free delivery? That means free shipping to your doorstep. The rest, starting with carrying it inside, is on you. A stands for assembly. Did you know that many pieces will need to be assembled once they are in your home? Unlike items picked up at our fulfillment center or free curbside shipping, we unpack and assemble your furniture once it has arrived. If images of instructions, parts, and tools are coming into view, you know why this is a job for the pros. Plus, we look everything over from top to bottom to make sure all of your items are in tip-top shape. We also take care of removing the packing material, leaving you with nothing but your new furniture to enjoy. Afterward, we set up your furniture just how you want it. We also test it to make sure everything is in working order. They say there's no place like home, and that's especially true if you have a warranty claim. While we don't plan on you needing it, your enrollment into our Dash delivery program entitles you to 1 year of in-home service should you have a warrantable claim. Better yet, we come to you for no additional charge. This is the red carpet Dash difference. Don't get stuck trying to save a few pennies only to find yourself overwhelmed and frustrated. Choose Dash Delivery and we'll take care of the rest.